to a new video with HIMA and their appearance at ACHEMA Trade Fair in this year. Today I'm having Marco Turdo. Marco is Global Lead Consultant in Digital Safety at the HIMA Group. So welcome, Marco.
Hi Dirk, thanks for the nice introduction.
Marco, why is it so important to focus for an effective management change in the process industry?
I think, Dirk, there is a misconception or a misunderstanding that functional safety for process industry is something that remains steady during the time. So especially whatever has been done, whatever has been accomplished by the end of design, by the end of commissioning, once we really start the operation with our plant, then remain as it is for 20, 30 years of our plant. And this is not true, because all safety parameters, safety performances are influenced by the real life, the real operation. There are influencing factors that are going to deteriorate the performances of our functions. Therefore, the need of having the possibility to identify as soon as possible changes compared to the design basis. So having something that can screen automatically the situation on functional safety, so what's going on, and bring this to the attention of people responsible for functional safety and safety of the plants.
That's very interesting. But how is HIMA supporting the customers for these new challenges?
Yes, the challenge there is let's imagine how many of these data are relevant to be monitored, to be, I would say, analyzed real time in order to identify changes, in order to really guide the user into what is important to recognize as a change and therefore start an additional analysis. Then the user implementing HIMA Safety Lifecycle Digitalization will have this kind of automatic mean of identification of changes that are relevant for safety that will be brought into easy graphics we call dashboards to guide the user on what is relevant to be managed, so that the user has not to search himself or herself for changes, but the changes will be presented. So there is the first big step of managing a change is to identify the need of a change, and this process then is automated through our new dashboards.
When you're looking forward to the ACHEMA fair this year, what can the visitor discover at the HIMA booth?
At the HIMA booth at ACHEMA, the visitors will have a first look and feel on the live demo on our HIMA dashboards and the integration system that we are setting for the safety lifecycle digitalization. So the integration is the core of the new concept for safety lifecycle digitalization, where we are bringing together solutions and technology in order to offer unique solutions, unique features to our customers. And more in detail, the visitors can have a look on those dashboards and appreciate how changes can be identified and performances can be monitored. And in this first live demo that visitors will experience, there will be 4 main dashboards. One main dashboard focusing on giving to supervisors and managers the overview on safety KPIs for a specific unit or installation. And then there will be a second level of dashboards for a different audience, so for people in the unit, people in production that are responsible for managing functional safety and safety of the assets, in order to support them for typical processes and activities related to functional safety, like prior use demonstration and prior use then maintenance. operational seal monitoring, so having a way to maintain and understanding what is our seal level during production, having a safe performance monitoring dashboard where all the events that are coming from live system are automatically identified, logged, interpreted, visualized, and I would say synchronized in a lifecycle management tool, so that an automated workflow of data is created for users to appreciate the digitalization of the new environment of HIMA, and the easy way of creation of safety performances that without such digital solution are not possible to realize.
Thanks, Marco, for these interesting insights. You want to learn more about safety with digital? Then visit the HIMA booth at ACHEMA in Frankfurt. See you there.